coming to see the command center, I found the command center also something that is remarkable. I mean, that it helps you to get a feel of what is happening on the ground, and then how it is being used also to drive enrollment and all. I think I'm highly impressed. Yeah.
So to come back to Indonesia and to see BPJS now and what it's achieved is really quite impressive. So I congratulate everyone who's worked on BPJS. It's amazing to see the level of coverage across the country and to see the attention to equity and meeting the needs of the population. And I think I'm still learning about BPJS, but what I can say is I'm impressed with how much it is innovating and testing and experimenting with new things. To me, the things that are most exciting are the things that make healthcare different for the individual. So making access easier, bringing services closer to the individual or to the community. I think the ways that BPJS is innovating and finding ways to do that, that's what impresses me most.
Impressive. So the coverage that BPJS has is something that many countries aspire to achieve. So in many ways, it's a place that we can look to learn and see what's being done here that we might be able to transfer and use in other parts of the world that are not as far along in different aspects of health. The integration between levels of the health system and from providers to BPJS is something that's really stood out. So the way that the technology has been used and information is shared to provide better care for the population is something that's been really impressive, and I'm excited to learn more about it.
I was very impressed by the digital transformation, and I can't imagine how they handled 1 million insurance claims a day. So I was very impressed by how efficient the leadership, how efficient the management of everything was.
So I think Indonesia's experience with JKN has not only been aspirational, but it's also been inspirational to a lot of countries which come from the same context, lower middle income countries that are aiming to achieve universal health coverage. The experience that Indonesia has had provides invaluable lessons to many countries that are on the same path, which Indonesia has almost achieved near universal, decreasing out-of-pocket expenditures, improving service delivery quality, as well as improving efficiency. So I think the world is looking towards Indonesia for your country experiences and how we can go back and emulate the same in our country.
BPJS keren.
BPJS Kesehatan keren.
BPJS Kesehatan keren.